Oh my god, Ronnie.
Yeah, I bet. So this should be a quick video. I just want to hop on here real quick and drop some game for anybody who may need it. Man, I figured it was some quick little tips and tricks that I knew that helped me make my intro real quick, real simple, and very effective in my opinion. So I wanted to share that. Maybe it's one person out there that may need this help. I'm glad I can help you. Here go the tricks, bro. Get your pen, get your paper. Uh, let's get it. All right, so bam. So we instantly, I'm about to give y'all the sauce, bro. Instantly, bro. I'm finna put y'all on. I'm about to show y'all exactly how I made my intro. You feel me? In using iMovie. I used iMovie because one, for me, this is like one of the most easiest applications you can use to bust out a real quick and effective intro that you can use for your your YouTube and any other editing needs that you possibly could have. Very simple in iMovie, and also you can use it on your phone. And even if you don't have iMovie specifically, these tips you can still use in most other applications. So bam, busting out the gate, I wanted to focus on. Let me start it off for y'all. I wanted to focus on, you know, getting people's and keeping people's attention for that first reaction, that first impression that I have on people. I wanted to put my name right there in the middle, Truth or Darius. So you can see that. And also, another tip I'm about to drop on y'all for, to keep people's attention, you can use songs that you like sometimes. The tip is, you have to keep it under, I believe it's like 8 seconds or something like that. So I usually stay right at 7 seconds. So, and I haven't had any problems. Next. The next thing that you guys need to focus on, or that I focused on, that you guys can, take a little nod from, is themes. Christmas present. Also, subscribe button. All of these are green screen YouTube things that I found. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Boom. Green screen subscribe button. As soon as I type in green screen subscribe button, all of these things pop up. And what I didn't show y'all, boom, if you go over here to filters, I have on Creative Commons. When you click Creative Commons, all of these videos have been the creator has already given you a okay to go and reuse and remake in your own creative way their video. So all of these things you can go and grab. Look at that. Smoke subscribe button. You can use these in your own video as such. That right there in itself is a game changer, I'm telling you. You can make basically your whole intro just off going and finding and mixing and matching different green screen effects. Boom. Another problem that y'all might run into that I wanted to make sure that I gave y'all the tip on. If you run into the problem while you're editing and you want to do multiple, and you're doing the iMovie, because iMovie only lets you use, as you can see right here, 2 layers. You can't go in some editing programs, other editing programs, you can add like 3-4 video sections, and then 3-4 audio sections. You can't do that on iMovie. What you have to do is, what I found the trick is, you have to save it. You go save this one, and then you can go back in, use that saved video, and then you can layer on something else on top of it. So that's how I have Christmas and present all going in the same, and subscribe, because normally it wouldn't let you, it wouldn't let you, allow you to do all that. And I have myself with the opacity down in the background. It wouldn't let you do that normally in iMovie, because it's too much. It's too much going on. They don't normally let you do that, but I just gave you the sauce. So now you can go, you can be creative, you can use those tips that I gave you, and make sure that your branding is on point. Don't forget your picture. Make sure you got your picture and your name. And now you good, bro. You got your effects, you got your picture, your name, you got your music. You in the game. Bam! Just like that, man. Y'all back in the game, bro. Back in the game, man. Let me know, bro, if it's anything else that y'all need help, any other tips and tricks that y'all need, please let me know that in the comments. But yeah, bro, y'all should be going crazy, bro, with y'all intros and y'all outros now. Y'all should be able to put together a quick little something that can get your channel growing. Man, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and comment, bro. I want to see what y'all make from these tips and tricks. So make sure y'all, bro, leave comments. Comment, bro. Let me know what's on y'all mind, bro, if this helped. And we can get to going crazy, man. Y'all already know what this is.